Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 5 of the 100 days challenge on how to build yourself as a brand. And I think more than this title, I'm not doing anything. Actually, this is kind of what I'm working on myself only, but building more like extra, that is what is not happening. I have noticed that since I have started this challenge, I have become very productive. I mean, whatever I used to procrastinate, that has been reduced a lot because in my mind I know I have to make this video, I have to put something valuable for you all, so that is somehow making me to get things done and not waste my time. So here and there I might like get distracted, but majority of the time, which is very surprising, um, I'm very productive. I'm getting a lot of things done. Like, if for example I have written 10 things on my to-do list, then at least I get done like 8 to 9 things. So it's a very good achievement for me, and I'm really happy that I started this challenge somehow, if not like particularly to the thing like or to the topic, haven't started right now, but I think I'm going into the way. So I'm doing all the things, getting all my work done, and like that I'm gonna even learn time to manage, and then I will start to put other things in it. So today I woke up at around 7 a.m. because I'm not able to finish my things like very quickly. So I'm like sleeping late. That is actual my time was around 9:30 and all, because I used to procrastinate the thing for tomorrow if the time was up. So maximum I used to work till 8:30. That was my maximum. So after 8:30 I used to just shut the work and go, like whether it is pending or completed, I used to not bother about it and just close it and go. But now, since I know I have to make this video and have to upload it today itself, so that is kind of pushing my time as well. And so for since I have started this challenge, from that time the time has crossed 10 o'clock for me to sleep. So since 2-3 days I'm sleeping at 10:30, like that, like after uploading this video and then getting ready to sleep. It was taking kind of time, but I was trying to wake up around like by 7 o'clock at least. So today it kind of became very late. Like now I'm shooting the video and it is already 9:46. Then I have to edit this video. That is gonna take some time. So I think it will cross 10:30 maybe. We'll see. We'll try. But anyways, I'm very happy that I'm getting all my work done. And yeah, as I was saying, today also was a very productive day. I woke up at around 7 a.m. and then did some stretches. Yesterday I danced very hard to one reel. That's why I had a little body pain, but it was tolerable. So yeah, after that I did like stretching and then made my bed, and then I was kind of feeling sleepy and tired today. I don't know why, maybe because of the body pain of yesterday's extra work. But yeah, I was not at all in the mood of getting like doing anything, but still I knew that I had to finish all this. So I pushed myself, started to get all these things like shooting and all, And once I started with the shooting part, like when I got dressed up for the shoot and all, I started to get motivated. And shockingly, surprisingly, I shooted 3 videos today, and one of them was a YouTube video. So I was really proud because that one YouTube video, I have literally postponed it for around 3 months, I think. Yes, I had thought of it like 2 months ago. No, well, yeah, 2 months ago, and I even had choreographed the dance. Okay, I had choreographed the dance. I think it's been 20 plus days, and I just could not record it. Like, I don't know why. I didn't have like the enough time, or whether it was my laziness that was just pushing it away, because it was a longer duration video to shoot. So I don't know what it was, but I was just like suspending it a long time. And then today, finally, I completed the shoot. I was really happy. So I got done with that, and I really feel very proud. After that, I had my lunch and then set for the editing, because now I had a lot of things again piled up to edit. So I started with that, and even kind of did my some computer work which I did not do in the morning today. So yeah, that's why that I did that time. Then after that, I spent all the evening doing this. Hereby, just like in the middle, I took five minutes ka break, because continuous using your phone, your laptop is not good for your eyesight. So I took middle 5-10 minutes break, had snacks and all, but as side I was sitting to edit only. So I edited one, like few, I've edited some photos and reels, and one I had to post today, and one more I completed. Another one was kind of very long, and it was very complicated because it has many clips, so it took a very long time for me to edit. So that, because of that, it got late, but I just wanted to finish it anyhow today. That's why I was like, I'll not see the time today, I'm just gonna complete it. And finally I finished editing that reel. It was not a reel, it's a YouTube short actually. Yeah. And then it was like, I had not finished it that time. At 7:30 I went and had my dinner. I prayed before that, and then I started to edit the remaining parts. And after that, now it's 9:30 crossed, so I set for shooting this particular video, and now I'm gonna edit. And yeah, that was my day today. I don't know, okay, you might be thinking that there's nothing valuable in over here, but I really feel that this can motivate you all as well, if you all also take the challenge with me, and we might share our stories with each other, that how was your productive day and all that. So if you are taking this challenge with me, then write down your task that you have completed today. Even if you had some time spent with your family, with your friends, anything like that, which is kind of like a self-care itself, right? So even if it is that, you all can write it down in the comments and share with me. So I'll see you tomorrow for the day 6. I hope it will be productive as today, and I'll get more things done, hoping for the best. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care.